So the engine has been resting for like 10 minutes now. All the oil from the head and other parts at least has gone to the sump. So let us remove the sump bolt and drain the oil right now. Before that, I will slightly just unscrew the oil cap so that the pressure is built, right? So let us go down now. So this is the engine sump bolt, and this is where the oil gets collected. This area is still hot. I'm using the gloves. So let me crack open the drain nut and we'll drain the oil from here. So I've cracked open the drain nut. So I've extracted the oil from the drain pan. You can see this is the oil, how dark. So now let us remove the oil filter, and this is the oil filter. I have kept a small jug for all the droplets that are coming down. So unmounted the oil filter now, waiting for this oil to drain, and then I will clean this and add the new oil filter plus the drain plug. You see the oil is still dripping drop by drop in the pan. So this is the drain plug that came out, and you can see there is a o-ring here as well. So we will replace the o-ring and put it back. See, this o-ring is completely used. Clean this up completely, get a new ring here, and we are good to go. So let me wipe this. Properly, and then hand tighten this first. And don't worry of the tiny droplets that are coming out, they will keep on dripping since the engine oil is hot, and it will be coming out continuously of some of the or the other galleries. So I gave it 5 minutes, 10 minutes of time, and now you don't have to torque it too much because otherwise it will strip off. Just is gentle torquing. Better to use a torque wrench. That's about it. I will also spray some brake cleaner to ensure that this is completely clean. So this is the OE filter that I am putting on now after the drain plug. This is the OE filter. You'll lubricate the O-ring on top of it and then put it back. So I have lubed the oil filter now. Let us put it back. Let me also give it a wipe because some oil is already dripping. Wiped. Let us put it back. Sort of VW spec says that to hand tighten this, but I rarely doubt hand tighten not always works. So I have hand tightened this as much as possible and will give a final touchdown with the wrench. Final, this one. That's about it. So now that we have put the oil filter and the drain plug back, it is time to fill the oil. I have cleaned and removed the dipstick, and I've cleaned this area as well. Give it a wipe again. Right, so let me set the cloth up. So this is the oil that I purchased. Again, getting the seals checked here. A lot of mechanics do that since this is original right from the showroom. You can't really go wrong with it, but we'll need to puncture it like this. The packing is very tight, and this oil is also imported. No loose ends, I believe. No. So let me put this. The color of the soil is light green. It's literally like the consistency is literally like water. You can see the droplets. Oops, I spilled some of it. That is the reason for the rag, ideally. This is the 3rd liter. This is the 4th one. So what I will do is with the 4th one, I will not fill it entirely because although the capacity is 4 liters, but you never know whether the entire 4 liters has come out or not. So I'll first fill in half of it, and then once I will warm up the car and then fill the remaining part. So I've left around 400 less than 400 ml into the box, and we'll start the car, heat up the engine, and then fill based on the requirements. Because overfilling is an issue. Underfilling is too, but overfilling has multiple other issues. What I will also do is I will clean this cap. Finally, the dipstick. So oil filling is done. I have cleaned the area with the brake cleaner. If you can see, it will evaporate. So let us now start the car. We'll wait for the engine oil to get some temperature, and then we will check from the gauge. Meanwhile, we need to see if there are any leaks from the drain pan or the oil filter. So I don't see any spills as of now. All good. We'll wait for some more time. So I'm suspecting around 3 liters of oil came out of this, which is worrying. Slightly more than 3 liters, 310 or 15, which is worrying. So now that we have warmed up the engine oil, let me grab the dipstick and check the oil. And I'm not sure if this is visible here or not. This is around 75% of oil, so we'll pour in some more. So I've poured in around 150 ml more, and I will keep around 200 ml 250 ml oil to check for subsequent days, because at times you don't really see the oil level rising.